Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best Obd2 Diagnostic tool reviews. Product features. 1. Supports multiple code requests. Generic, manufacturer-specific and pending codes. 2. Clears codes. Turns off check engine lights, cell and resets monitors. 3. PTC definition can be automatically displayed after reading. Press help button with PTC guide for possible causes if codes show the small icon. 4. Reads, records, graphs, playback as data, logging, live sensor data.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.